Jairam here. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create Laravel projects. So the latest release of the version is the 11th version, which was released in this month of March in 2024. And we'll see how we can create the projects, how this framework, using this framework we can create projects. So we'll make sure before creation of this Laravel project, our laptop and system should have PHP and Composer is installed. So we'll go into our terminal or command prompt if you're working with the Windows system, and we'll check PHP and Composer is installed or not. If not installed, then we'll install, and if already installed, then proceed. And guys, if you have still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, because upcoming videos are very interesting and you are going to enjoy this journey of learning Laravel 11 version. All the topics I'm going to cover, and at the end I will also deal with creation of a project. So this is going to be a great journey with you. So let's start this journey. On terminal of my laptop, which is on desktop, and here I can check if there is Composer. I'm just right here Composer, and you can see it's showing lots of information related to Composer. It means Composer is already on my laptop. If Composer was not, then I should install this Composer, right? And using Laravel HUD, there is a Laravel HUD through which we can install the PHP as well as the Composer. And also we should make sure PHP is installed. So how you can check the PHP is my laptop? So I should write PHP version, right? So if you see on my laptop, there is a latest version of PHP which is 8.3.6 which is already installed. So I do not need to install. But if you are looking to install, you can use Laravel HUD through which you can install PHP as well as Composer. Also, it's recommended that your system should have Node and NPM installed, because those may be needed for the different purpose, which is some of the packages are based on the. So now come here we are coming into how we can create project on the our system using Composer. So first thing, if you already Composer and PHP installed, just if you're looking to create a project through the Composer, you have to just write here. So I'm just clearing my screen. Here you can just write Composer create project Laravel /Laravel. I'm just giving my first project. So if you see, it's a successfully my Laravel project is created here. And if you see what was the name of the folder I have given while creating the project, so the name of the folder was first project. So the one Laravel first project folder is created. So if you see ls-l one first project, sorry, it was a first project. So if you see here, so example, yeah, here it was, this is the project created here. So I should go inside that folder. So I should write first project, right? Now you can see while creating this project, Laravel has created lots of folder file structure here. So we'll discuss all these folder file structure later on, but right now we're looking at how we can create a project in the Laravel. So the first command which I have to run to know if my Laravel is successfully installed, so I can write here php artisan so, right. So see, there is a Laravel has its own web server, so it's created launched the project Laravel project on a particular port, and you can access through your localhost on the 8000 port. So here you can see, right, here the Laravel version 11 and here the PHP version. So you can see Laravel project has been successfully created. This is the one way. So there is another way where we can install Laravel globally, and whenever I have to create a Laravel project, I can create a Laravel project from that installation. So for that we can I should get out from this folder. I'm writing here is also composer is needed, composer, then global, right, then require Laravel installer, right. So here it's Laravel is globally installing on my system. It's already installed, that's why it's nothing to modify in the log file, everything is there, so it's not installing. It's because it was already installed. Now how I can create the project? So for that, Laravel new second project. So here if you see it's asking Laravel, when you install through the global installation, it will ask some options. First option is, are you going to use a starter kit? So if you are a new user, you can go with the starter kit. Laravel bridge another option where some built-in features already like login, registration, forget password, all these things are created by inbuilt. You can take the advantage of that. And there is Jetstream, which is the also built-in some pre-built features are already in this Jetstream, but for this installation I'm going to use the starter kit. Here Laravel also supports some testing inbuilt testing frameworks are using in this Laravel framework. So here are two frameworks, Paste and PHP Unit. So it's my choice. By default is Paste. Let's go with the Paste. And so if I am looking to put this my code into a repository, I can choose to yes, but right now I'm choosing by default no. So you see three options are there, and after that it's started to create the project. And once the project is created, it will ask to which database will your application use. So if you see here, by default SQLite is chosen here, and other databases are MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, right. So by default Laravel 11 comes with the SQLite. So if you are not any database, then for the testing purpose or for demonstration purpose, for learning purpose, you can just choose SQLite and move forward. So it's installing, and it's almost done. So now my project is created. I should go inside the project folder which is created, second project. So I'm writing a cd second project, and then the command to run or launch a Laravel project is php artisan serve, php artisan serve. So if you see, if I copy this URL and put in the browser, it's still running. So these are some two ways we can create the Laravel projects. So guys, hope you enjoyed this how how you can create a Laravel project on your Windows or Mac systems. So in the next videos we come with all different interesting topics. Till then, enjoy. Talk to you soon.